Hello, it's Tom here from Oracle Time, and today we're going to take a lockdown look at the Laco Frankfurt GMT. The heritage German brand is synonymous with tough, tall pilot's watches that look like they're built to survive a crash landing. Now, however, the German watchmaker is heading outside of their comfort zone with their first ever travel-focused watch, the Frankfurt GMT. To match the contemporary look of this watch, the Frankfurt GMT comes in a lightweight, compact aluminium case with some extras inside. As well as your warranty and your strap tool, you have a choice of two straps: a more plain Nitec leatherback strap, which is incredibly comfortable, or the more exciting NATO style strap with matching orange stripe. The 43mm stainless steel case is water resistant to 200 meters and is titanium sandblasted to give it a matte grey gunmetal appearance, matching the dial and inner bezel. The case shape is machined to create smooth transitions between facets and employs a unique looking asymmetrical design thanks to its two screw down crowns, which are flanked by protectors. Laco flex their expertise in legibility on the dial of the Frankfurt, with chunky, loom-laden indices, oversized Arabic numerals at 3 and 9, and orange accents highlighting the GMT hand and the top of the GMT bezel. Of course, it wouldn't be a Laco without a nod to their Flieger heritage, and the expansive grey dial is broken up by the broadsword hands, jet-shaped counterbalance seconds, and a chunky triangle and two dots representing 12 o'clock. The Frankfurt GMT offers two separate time zones, rather than the three some watches indicate. The 24-hour GMT hand is tied to the local time, which means you use the rotating inner bezel, adjusting using the top crown, to set the second time zone. That bezel is also set with a day-night indicator, so it's an easy, legible and elegant solution to a second time zone. Of course, as well as this, it also has a calendar function which is indicated at 6 o'clock. The Laco Caliber 93 is based on the trusted ETA 2893-2. A solid and reliable, rather than racy caliber, with a 38-hour power reserve. It's the kind of movement you don't particularly need to see, and the engraving on the caseback shows a military fighter jet, again hammering home Laco's Flieger heritage. Overall, the Frankfurt is undeniably in the Laco mould, and while the contemporary styling might not please everyone, it certainly interests me. The matte finish and orange highlights work in tandem with the pebble-smooth case, creating a watch that has some serious spy credentials. Although the case size is at the maximum size for my wrist, the squat lugs, ergonomic crown design and strap options mean it's very comfortable to wear. It's nice to see Laco add a GMT to their roster, and on this watch it's simple to use and read, and the interior bezel keeps the watch playful enough without impacting the pared back design of the watch. At £1,500, the price point is also very good considering the brand's heritage and build quality. While there are certainly more flawless GMT watches out there, you'd be hard pressed to find anything better at this price. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts on the Frankfurt in the comments, as well as some of your favourite GMT watches.